Jai Swaminarayan friends. Here we continue the fourth chapter quadratic equation problem sums. In this video lecture we discuss the rectangular problem sum. Here we write the question 1, 2, 3 and 4th question. Right? First and fourth are same question. First and fourth are same question. Read here first question. Area of a rectangular garden, otherwise area of a rectangle, is a 21 meter square. Area is given. Look here question. Here also area is given. Question same, only different digit is different. Right? Here 21 meter square, here 800 meter square. Right? Okay. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 meter, here perimeter is 360. Okay? Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Now first we draw the rectangle. Here we draw the rectangle, right? Denote the name ABCD. It is your rectangle. Again repeat, area of a rectangle is given and perimeter of the rectangle is given. First one you can anyone use it. Area or perimeter, anyone. Okay? First, so we suppose let X be the length of the rectangle. You can suppose length or breadth anyone. Length or breadth anyone. Here we suppose the length x meter because area is in meter. So here x meter. Now breadth is what? The first sentence, area of a rectangle is 21 meter square. So first we apply area. Area equal to length into breadth. Okay? Here area is given 21 meter square. Length we suppose x and breadth is not given. Therefore, breadth equal to 21 upon x meter. Now this is your breadth. Is that clear? Okay. Now put this both length and breadth, put this value in the perimeter formula. Now apply perimeter formula. So perimeter rectangular area, perimeter of the rectangular is formula 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length 2 times, breadth 2 times. Okay. Now perimeter is 20 meter square. Sorry, 20 meter equal to 2. Length is given x and breadth is 21 upon x. Clear? First we divide 2. 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. 10 upon 1. Here x upon 1. So now cross multiplication and we take LCM x. Plus sign as it is. X into x, x square, and 21 ones are 21. First we divide 20 by 2 equal to 10. 10 by 1 that is 10. Then in bracket cross multiplication x square plus 21 upon x. Again we cross multiplication. So 10x equal to x square plus 21. Now 10x is right side. So our quadratic equation x square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. 10x is in right side. So first we write x square, then 10x is negative, so minus 10x and plus 21 as it is equal to 0. Is that clear? Now splitting the factor 21. 21 ones are 21 and 7 threes are 21. This is possible to only two factor. Here last term is a positive. So sum of these two number is middle term. 21 plus 2, 21 plus 1, 22, not possible. Here we give 10. So 7 plus 3, 10. Right? So our factorize, directly we write here x minus 7 and x minus 3 equal to 0 because last term positive. So both of them have same sign. Okay. So x equal to 7 and x equal to 3. We give space 0. So x equal to 7 and x equal to 3. Okay. But here in our question, in a rectangle, length is always greater than its breadth. Length is always greater than its breadth. So here x, we suppose here length, right? So 7 is possible, that means 3 is not possible. Here length equal to 3 meter is not possible. So our length is 7 meter. So we write here last two sentence. Here we write last two sentence. Length equal to 7 meter, right? X, we suppose length. So length equal to 7 meter and breadth equal to 21 upon x. Here, put here 7. Put here 7. So breadth equal to 21 upon 7. So breadth equal to 3 meter. Is that clear? You can also verify. Multiply by this two number, length into breadth, 21 meter square. Here area. Then put here length and breadth both here in a perimeter formula. Here perimeter 2 as it is, length equal to 7, breadth equal to 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 2s are 20. So perimeter is 20 meter. Is that clear? That means our sum is 100% right. Is that clear? Okay. So you can solve first and fourth, both of them sum. Same method. Fourth one is also tried yourself. Exactly same method. Here first we suppose area, then put both the value in perimeter. You can also first we use the perimeter. First we use the perimeter also, then put both the value in area formula. You can also get the quadratic equation and solve it. Is that clear? Okay. Now we discuss second sum. Now second one, a rectangular garden is designed such that the length of the garden is twice its breadth. First we read the question. Twice its breadth. And the area of the garden is 800 meters square. Find the length of the garden. Here area is given, perimeter is not given. But other condition is given. A rectangular garden is designed such that the length of the garden is twice its breadth. So first we suppose breadth. First we draw the rectangle P, Q, R, S, right? Again first we read the question. A rectangular garden is designed such that the length of the garden is twice its breadth. So first we suppose breadth. Here unit is the meter, x meter. So we suppose let x be the breadth of rectangular garden. Let x meter be the breadth of the rectangular garden. Is that clear? Now our question is, a rectangular garden is designed such that the length of the garden is twice its breadth. Twice, that is multiplied by 2. So therefore length is 2x meter. So we write here length equal to 2x meter. Is that clear? Here length is, breadth is x meter, length is 2x meter. Okay. Now read next sentence. Of the garden is twice its breadth and the area of the garden. Now area, apply the area formula. Area equal to length into breadth. Area is given 800 meters square. Length is x and multiply breadth is 2x. Clear? Otherwise length equal to 2x put here and breadth equal to x, anyone, because here multiplication. Now 2 is in division, so 400 equal to x into x, x square. Is that clear? So therefore here x square equal to 20 square. 20 square is also 400 and minus 20 square is also 400. But length and breadth never can be negative, so we can use only positive integer. Okay? So we take both the sides square root, therefore x equal to 20 meter. X equal to 20 meter. Here we suppose x is the breadth. Therefore we write last sentence breadth equal to 20 meter and length equal to 40 meter because length is twice its breadth, right? So put here x equal to 20. So 2 into 20, answer 40 meter. And also verify, multiply by these two number, 40 into 20, answer 800 meter square, its area. Okay, done it. Now we could discuss the third question. The diagonal of a rectangular garden, diagonal, some different. The diagonal of a rectangular garden is 60 meter more than the breadth of the garden. 60 meter more than the breadth of the garden. If the length of the garden is 30 meter more than the breadth of the garden, then find the area of the garden. Okay? First, draw the rectangle. Again, A, B, C, D. Okay? The diagonal. You can join any one diagonal. Any one. Rectangle, that is all the angles are 90. In a rectangle, by the definition of 9th standard, all the angles are 90. Okay? The diagonal of a rectangular garden is 60 meter more than its breadth. So first we suppose the breadth. Here x meter. Let x meter be the breadth of the rectangular garden. Is that clear? Okay, ground, rectangular garden, anyone. Let x meter be the breadth of the rectangular garden. Okay. Now read your question. The diagonal of a rectangular garden is 60 meter more, that is plus 60, more than the breadth of the garden. Okay. So here rectangular garden, length of the diagonal is x plus 60 meter. Okay. Then if the length of the garden is 30 meter more than the breadth, now length of the garden is 30 meter more. So x plus 30 meter. Is that clear? Now we find the length and breadth of the otherwise area of the garden. So first here, look here, this is your right angle triangle. Right? Now in right angle triangle ABC, apply the Pythagoras theorem. In last video lecture we already done it. Okay? In a triangle ABC by Pythagoras. Okay? So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay? AC equal to x plus 60. AB equal to x plus 30. And BC equal to x. Okay? Now A plus B whole square expansion formula. X square 60 to 120, 2 into 60 into x. And 60 square equal to 3600. 60 into 60. Then here again x square, 2 30s are 60x, 30 square is 900 and plus x square. Okay? In both the side equal term will be cancelled. Clear? Okay? So 120x plus 3600 as it is. Here we write x square plus 60x and plus 900. Okay? Now here x square as it is. 120x is in right side. So 60 minus 120 answer minus 60x. 3600 is also in we get right side. 900 minus 3600. 36 is the bigger. Right? It's the bigger number. So 3600 minus 900. 2700 in left side equal to 0. So our quadratic equation x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Now splitting the 27. 0. Here we only splitting the 27. We have only splitting the number 27. 27 ones are 27 and 9 threes are 27. Here 9 threes are 27. 9 minus 3, here last term will be negative. So 9 minus 3, 6. Here 6. Now here put here both sides 0. 90 into 30. 2700 and 90 minus 30, 60. Very easy. Okay. Here 90 is the bigger number. We get negative sign. So x minus 90 and x plus 30. Here last term negative. So both of number have different sign. Okay. So we get 0. X equal to 90 and x equal to minus 30. Negative number in any problem sum, negative number never can be possible. So here not possible. So x equal to 90. Here we suppose x is the breadth, right? Therefore, breadth equal to 90 meter. Okay? Then length equal to 90 plus 30, 120 meter. Is that clear? If you find also diagonal, 90 plus 60, 150 meter. But our final question is find the area of the garden. Area of the garden. So we apply area formula. Length into breadth. Length equal to 120, breadth equal to 90, 20 as it is, 12 nines are 108. 10,800 meter square, your final answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now fifth sum. Fifth and sixth both are almost equal. A vendor gets profit. A vendor gets profit. Right? In percentage. Read carefully question. A vendor gets profit in percentage equal to the cost price of a flower pot. Equal to the cost price of a flower pot. Suppose cost price of a flower pot is 50 rupees. So profit 50 percentage. Look, a vendor gets profit in percentage equal to the cost price of a flower pot. That means suppose CP, cost price is CP, rupees 20. Flower pot, cost price of a flower pot is rupees, suppose 20 rupees. So profit equal to 20%. Here rupees 70, so profit is 70%. Clear? This sentence, meaning of this sentence is this one. CP equal to rupees 70, so profit equal to 70%. Suppose CP equal to rupees 60, so profit equal to 60%. 60%. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next sentence. When he sells, it's for rupees 96. That is selling price. Selling price is 96 given. Okay. Find the cost price of the flower pot. Our final question is find the cost price of the flower pot and percentage of profit, because both are same. Okay. So first we suppose X rupees. Suppose rupees X. Rupees X is the cost price of a flower. Here we suppose the X rupees price of the CP of a flower pot. Therefore, meaning of the first sentence, therefore, profit equal to X percentage. Profit equal to X percentage. Here you suppose the rupees Y, so profit is Y percentage. Clear? Okay. Cost price and profit percent, here both are same. Cost price and profit percent both are same. Clear? Okay. Now here we convert percentage to rupees, because here units is rupees. So here not compare these two. So here we convert this unit percentage to rupees. Right? By the 789 standard, we use the triplets. Triplet, that is here. What's the meaning of this percentage? X percentage. Suppose I have in examination, I give board examination, we get the 80%. 80%. What's the meaning of 80%? That means out of 100 we get 80 marks. Average 80 marks. Out of 100 marks we get average 80 marks. Clear? Here X%, that is out of 100 we get X rupees profit. Out of 100 we get X rupees profit. Okay. So we write here, if CP equal to rupees 100, so we get profit equal to rupees X. Profit X percentage, that means if CP equal to rupees X, then profit equal to rupees X. That's meaning, right? But here we suppose X rupees is the CP of the flower board. Therefore, rupees X is the CP. So, question mark. Clear? Now, cross multiplication, X into X upon 100. So, X square upon 100 rupees. This is your profit in rupees. CP cancel. So, profit in rupees. Is that clear? This one is most important. Now, where is sum is very easy. Now, apply 6th standard formula. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP, selling price minus cost price. So, profit in rupees is here. X square upon 100. Selling price is already given here, 96. Minus CP is written, suppose here, X. So, all the units are in same. Rupees, rupees and rupees. Clear? Now, here one and here one. Otherwise, cross whole denominator 1. Now, cross multiplication. So, X square equal to 9600, 96 into 100 minus 100x. Okay. Now, in both the term in left side, so our quadratic equation x square plus 100x minus 9600 equal to 0. This one's a positive, this one's a negative. Okay. Now, factorize 9600. Factorize 9600 and subtract this 2 factor is 100, right? First 16 6 are 96. Here 0 will be cancelled. Suppose only factor of 96, 16 6 are 96, right? 16 minus 6, here 10, clear? But we get here 100. So apply 0 and 0. Look here. 160 minus 60, 100, and multiply by this two number, 0 into 0, 20, and 16, 6 are 96. 160 is the bigger number, so we get positive sign. Okay. So our 2 factor is x plus 160 and x minus 60 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 160 and x equal to 60 rupees. Okay. Negative number is not possible, so we write here not possible. So x equal to 60. Here we suppose rupees x is the CP of a flower pot. So our cost price is rupees 60. So our final question, find the cost price of the flower pot, 60 rupees. Alright? And percentage of profit, cost price and profit percentage both are same. So therefore our profit percentage is also 60%. Is that clear? This one is most important sum. Okay? Now second. While selling a pen for rupees 24, here selling price is given. Here in above the sum, selling price is 96, here selling price 24. Here in a question, profit percentage, here loss. The loss in percentage is equal to the cost price, Clear? Here profit percentage equal to the cost price. Here in your question, loss in percentage is equal to the cost price. So first we suppose let rupees x be the CP of the pen. Okay. Therefore, loss percentage equal to x percentage. Is that clear? If your CP x, so loss percentage x. If your CP is y, loss percentage y. Now convert in this unit to rupees, percentage to rupees. Similar to above the question. Therefore, here CP and here loss. Here loss. Okay. Here rupees 100. So here rupees x. Because what's the meaning of x? Percentage. Percentage, that is out of 100. Okay. So rupees, if your rupees CP is rupees 100, so loss equal to rupees x. Clear? Okay. Therefore, our rupees cost price is X, therefore loss is question mark. So cross multiplication, so X square upon 100 equal to loss rupees. Okay, clear? Now apply the loss formula. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Now same question. X square upon 100. CP equal to X and selling price 24. Right? Whole denominator 1. Cross multiplication. X square equal to 100x minus 2400. So x square in both the term left side minus 100x plus 2400 equal to 0. Okay. Now splitting the 2400 and factorize. We have only factorized 24. 24 ones are 24. 6 fours are 8 threes are 12 twos are. Here last term the positive. Sum of these two factor is always 10. Sum of these two factor is 10. 24 plus 1 not possible. 8 plus 3 11 not possible. 12 plus 2 10 not. 12 plus 2 not possible. 6 plus 4 10. Here put here 0 and 0. So 60 into 40 2400 and 60 plus 40 100. Here last term positive. So both of factor have same sign and middle term sign. So here x minus 60 and x minus 40. So x equal to 60 and x equal to 40. So both of answer possible. But in our question, condition is given. Find the CP of a pen. That means CP cost price 40 rupees or 60 rupees. Any one answer is possible. Look here. For condition is the CP of a pen is less than 50 rupees. This is your condition. If this condition is not given, then both answers are possible. But here in condition is given the CP of a pen is less than 50 rupees. So this one is not possible. Clear? So our CP equal to CP of the pen is rupees 40. Therefore, loss percentage is also 40. Because loss percentage and CP both are same. So here CP is equal to 40 rupees. CP equal to 40 rupees. Therefore, loss percentage equal to 40%. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you very much.